Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chanji here, and this is the breakout that we spoke about on Thursday's video, and this is quite clear that yes, we have indeed finally broken this mark of 26200. So most likely now we're heading towards levels of 26600 or probably a little more than that. However, one major factor is the event happened on Saturday morning India time, and the Friday late night in US time, in when US US Army or Air Force had gone into Venezuela and picked their president Maduro. Now this can bring some jitters to the market for sure. Sorry. There will be impact on oil. There will be impact on crypto. There will be an impact on equity, and there will be impact on gold. How they may trade, let's discuss it once. The first is oil. So on the oil front, now I'll try to just make another table over there. If that's my table, okay. So first is oil. So oil may now probably at the moment, whatever based on the current circumstances at this point of time, oil, well, it may actually go down. That's first. Impact on India, I would say, is positive. It is positive, What about gold? Okay, on bond. Okay, first the gold. Gold can go up because of geopolitical tensions. That's first. Impact on Indian equities of gold going up is neutral. No impact. Third is global yields. Yields, can basically go a little bit upper, and that will have a negative impact on the equities. And the fourth is crypto. Crypto impact, it will be positive because of impact on global geopolitical, and neutral on equity. So everything sets off everything, from the equity point of view. So I feel they will only be volatile. So tomorrow we'll only see one thing, which is volatility. So in this case, what should we do? I am very clear that until the close is again below this level, I have no reason to worry. So for me, the intraday stop loss is 26170 or rather 160, and anything that's intraday. Closing basis is 26200, which is closing basis. If it doesn't happen, we are further should be going up. Where should we go up? We'll discuss it when we discuss the derivatives data. So as a trader, if I have to start a long position, I will look forward of any kind of decline. I will try to gain out of the decline. If it closes below 26200, I'll go short. Short below 26200. Long, I'm already there. So there's no point discussing that. If you still want to go long fresh, go around 26250. If you get a chance to enter into that level, that's an intent. On Nifty Bank also, it's quite clear that we are now heading towards 60,500 for sure. That's the first level. For me, the long-term level is 61,000. which cannot hit to. The risk to that level is at 59800, which is the earlier ceiling to this. So closer below this means I may go and touch 59300. So all in all, my strategy here is that I'll keep my long for possible target of 60500. If we get a decline intraday to left some level of 60,000, I'll go long with a stop loss of 59700 and possible targets of 60,500. That's my trade on Bank Nifty. If it close below 59800, I'll go short. The possible planned levels of 59300 and stop loss should be 60,000. Thereabout. Nifty IT. There was a rebound happening in the last 2 days. Good sign. This has to be taken out, which is 38800. Let's see whether it's happening or not. Only after that I will be probably initiating any kind of trade in the Nifty IT. Now, just to further understand this, we'll go to sensible data. If we look at the open interest data, so what it shows is for levels of 26,200, see the Audi, we have lost around 85 lakh contracts over there in the open. That means all the shorts have been unwounded on 26 on 200. 26,300 also is where the we are seeing the unwinding of the contracts. Similarly 26,400 also we see that there is an unwinding. So I think that is very clear that we are reaching. We will just test this level, which is 26500. We are seeing some kind of call writing happening. The downside until 26,000 I am safe. There is a massive put writing happening on that level. Summing it everything together, for me it's very clear. Nifty 26050 is a very critical level. So first level right now is 26200. That's first level of support. Second level of support is 26050. These are two levels which you have to watch out for. And the upside 26500 and then 26800 are the two levels that we have to watch out for. This is my view on the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty IT, and the possible impact of Venezuela crisis on the global equities, which I think is limited. It's just a noise as of now, nothing more than that. So with this, thank you very much. And if you have any query or comment, please put in the comment section. I will be happy to respond. Take care.